playing Slap Tower. If I fall, I'm gonna sing Valentina. Okay, let's start. If I fall on the yellow. Wait, let's start. Okay. Just look at my next video if I fall. I didn't fall on the arrow. It's okay because I didn't fall on the arrow. Not to the group. So that girl deserves to fall because I see him gonna slap him. I gonna slap me. I mean her. I think there was a green bill. Oy, wag mo ako snapin ah. Super ka. Ah, yun agad. Besa mo. Nasaan ko na yung green bill? Ah, sa likod ko na wala. Ito mo yung golden slap. There's na tayo. Oy, kupal ka. Deserve. Walhap. Dito na tayo sa purple. Ay ko ah. Mukhang madali lang to ah. Walang nagtatroll. Mas maganda pa dito na server. Nagtok na ako. Baka walog na ako. Huwag na muna akong matulog. Tapusin ko muna to. I'm gonna sing Valentina if I fall on the yellow. But if I start on the yellow and of being on yellow, I'm not gonna sing because I just start bitch. I mean no. I'm so sleepy. Finally, I'm in green. 1, 2.